It's important to test and inspect the AquaRise system for joint integrity after it has been installed and after all the solvent welded joints have been allowed to fully cure, as per the average joint cure schedule in the AquaRise technical manual. Leave all concealed pipe and fittings uncovered until the required test is completed and approved by the local authority having jurisdiction. Prior to testing, precautions must be taken to protect personnel and property in case of test failure. Never use compressed air or gas in AquaRise pipe fittings and valves. Never use or test AquaRise with compressed air or other gases. Do not use air over water boosters. Use of compressed air or gas in AquaRise pipe fittings and valves can result in explosive failures and cause severe injury or death. 1. Where possible, visually inspect the installed piping for evidence of physical damage or deficiencies. 2. Slowly fill the pipe section with water, preferably at a velocity of 1 foot per second or less. Any entrapped air must be evacuated by venting from the high points. Do not pressurize at this stage. 3. Leave the section for at least 1 hour to allow equilibrium temperature to be achieved. 4. Check the system for leaks. If clear, check for and remove any remaining air and increase the pressure up to 50 psi. Do not pressurize further at this stage. 5. Leave the section pressurized for 10 minutes. If the pressure drops, inspect for leaks. If the pressure remains constant, slowly increase the hydrostatic pressure to 1.5 times the system working pressure, but do not exceed the maximum working pressure of any system components. 6. Leave the section pressurized for a period not exceeding 1 hour. During this time, the pressure should not change if a test is successful. If there is a significant drop in static pressure or extended times are required to achieve pressure, either joint leakage has occurred or air remains in the line. Inspect for leakage, and if none is apparent, reduce the pressure and check for trapped air. All air must be removed before further testing. 7. Any joint leaks should be repaired and allowed to cure fully before repressurizing and testing. For more details, refer to the joint set and cure schedules. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at ipexaquarise.com.